What's going on, folks? Just launching the boat here at beautiful Billy Goat Hole. Running out about 80 miles. Went and tried our hand at some tuna fishing. Weather window was awesome. Kind of an impromptu trip. Just 3 of us out here doing some tuna fishing, which was a little slow, but ended up stopping and deep dropping and having a great trip. Hope you guys enjoy. Kind of creepy, isn't it? I don't even know if it's showing up. We just pulled out here to the beer can rig. It is decommissioned, just some flashing lights, no life. But there's still some life around it. We are catching some hardtails, marking some bigger fish, but have not found them yet. Trying to jig some blackfin up, and then we're gonna move on to a different rig if there's no life here. See what's going on. Big old monster hardtail, some beautiful bait right there. We could not find bait at the ships earlier. Spanish kept cutting us off, but we pulled up out here to the beer can and found some. We just dropped down and got hooked up. I don't know if this is the right one or not. It might be just a hardtail. Yeah. Yeah, another nice hardtail though. We have got a live well full of these big guys. Alright, so we performed a little surgery and we are back at it. I'm fixing to drop back down. Nick's getting all bandaged up over here. He's fixing to drop down too, so we are good. We are marking, I don't know if you can see the screen, looks like some great marks around 100 feet. There we go, hooked up already. He ate it on the drop there.
I gotta get him in. Move that right. There's nothing on it. There's nothing on it.
There is some life here for sure. That's good. He ate it on the drop. I dropped it about 10-12 seconds and it was, I felt it vibrating. So he's not a stud, but he's a tuna. Better than a hardtail. And a finger, yeah. We don't want to catch any more fingers tonight. Nice little football. There we go. Beautiful. That's what we're after. Thank you, Mr. J, for finding these jigs. They sure do work good out here for blackfin. Some cheap Amazon jigs, I think 5 of them for 20 bucks or so. Pretty awesome sight. We are leaving, heading to the ram pal. Got shark 3 times in a row, so not gonna keep doing that. Ooh, John got a nice blackfin coming up here. Nice one. Nice little football. Yeah. Alright, we are just pulling up to Horn Mountain. We got sharked like crazy at Ram Powell and at the Marlin. We ended up with only 2.5 blackfin so far. We have caught some crazy hardtails though. We've got tons of bait, but we are marking some decent marks here. Let's see what happens. Got them hooked in the tail there. There we go. That'll work. Another nice one in the boat. Foul hooked him right in the side. Yeah, I think I found the hardtail. It is a little blackfin maybe. Thought it was a hardtail at first. racing. I don't know if you can see that. That's crazy. Little tail shake there. Well, we got half of one. He was a good one. He was. Good morning. It is 5:45. Sun's just peeking up. We are 3 whooped folks right here. We ran out here, I guess about 80 miles to Horn Mountain. Stopped at 3 or 4 different deepwater rigs. We only got about 8, maybe 10 blackfin sharks. We had got sharked all night, fought them, and then a new problem, just some monster hardtails. We tried chunking because there was a bunch of life on top last night. It was all hardtails. It was we're talking 3, 4, 5 pound hardtails. So if anybody needs some hardtails, we got plenty. We have got a live well full, and we even threw some in the bait cooler. So we're about to run back up, easing back up. We have been sleeping. We finally just called it a night because I mean we were dead tired from jigging all night long. So we're gonna run back up here to Horn Mountain, see if there's any life. If not, we're gonna go do some deep drop. Pulled up here to jig. Got a couple boats chunking. Just catching some bonitas here. Caught 2 on 1 jig. What you got over here, John? Oh!
A blackfin, but taxman, right?
No, that's bonita.
Oh.
Bonita cut in half by the tax man there. All right, we got done trolling, no action. There's tons of life on top of the water, but they did not want our ballyhoo or our deep divers, so we are gonna try a couple new rigs here, about 720 feet deep. I'm gonna do some deep dropping. John's doing some jigging. Lord help his arms and elbows. See what happens. All right, first bite at this deep rig here. It is a big grouper. Big old grouper. Nice size grouper there. Beautiful. 750 feet there. Beautiful. Current is just absolutely whipping. Rodan wouldn't hold. It's turning off. Hopefully it's not broken, but we got another one here. That is a big old mingo. We got 1 grouper off this spot, and then I think 3 or 4 nice mingos here. Looking good. Nick's got a nice one coming up here. Let's see. We got color. That is some kind of jack. Looks like. Yeah, amberjack. Or no, that's a big almaco. Big old almaco. That is nice. Yeah. Well, I might be able to get him in. That is a big almaco. Golly. That is a hoss of an almaco jack. Up to you, yep. Right in the head if you can. Alright, about 30 feet. Something good here. Not sure what this is. Looks like a AJ. Big old amberjack. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured the way it was fighting. Yeah, nice amberjack, but he's got to go back.
That's a grouper.
That's a big grouper. Monster
Look at the
grouper.
kisser.
That's a monster grouper in the boat. Yes, sir. Big old Snowy right there.
You want to come get a picture,
That's
man?
a monster Snowy right there.
Picture on my phone with that one.
That's what we're after right there. Yeah, that is what we're after. That's a 20+ pound Snowy right there. Nick coming up with another nice one here. What we got?
10 feet. See color. He's fighting like a bitch. That might actually be.
That's a jack of some kind.
Yeah, amberjack. Juvenile amberjack.
In the head, there you go.
Another big old Almaco.
I gotta get
That's alright, he's good.
That's alright.
That is a monster.
We're fucked.
Is it? Nick hooked up with another nice one here. That is, oh, we got double jacks, looks like. Let's see what kind of jacks they are. Looks like one's
You got two out. You got one Almaco.
that's amberjack.
Oh,
Yeah.
Two.
Two of
How good that reel is.
Two amberjacks there. That's nice.
AJ.
Yeah. AJ coming up. Let's see what we got over here. 25 feet. We got AJ too. Nice big AJ there. Yeah, it might be time to make a move here.